Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
A planned Western price cap on Russian oil is already making a difference, US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said, noting that Russia was now offering China and India enormous discounts while looking for other outlets for its oil. Global investors are preparing for more market mayhem after a monumental week that whipsawed asset prices around the world, as central banks and governments ramped up their fight against inflation. The Riksbank in Sweden surprised market participants by hiking its benchmark rate 100 basis points. Swedish central bankers were hoping to lure investors to their bond market and strengthen their currency, the krona. Instead, the opposite occurred, as the dollar surged 3.5% into the end of last week. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.1% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.